What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, say your boy Mr. Ashardi. Boom. So today I make some coconut curry chicken, you see me? Yeah. And you know, so I make that with the white rice, right? White rice. Yeah. Alright. Stay tuned and watch out, man. You know, it's butter. Alright, people, check in. Nice little color.
This one I know I always honest about them, man.
So today, guys, I gonna make as I did already tell you, so I make what say I make again? Coconut curry chicken and rice. So check in, people. You see me? I get the chicken washed. After which I gonna cut it up in some small bite-sized pieces. You see me? So I don't know, so I curry chicken I make already. So get this cleaned up real quick. So just stay tuned and watch out, guys. Alright, may I get out the cutting board now, people. Alright, people, so get rid of some of this chicken. You know, you have to clean your chicken good, people, you see me? Get rid of this. I eat that. I don't know what I man. We get rid of some of the fat if we can. Don't worry, peeps, so we'll get out the chopper. Use some of the excess fat. As you can see, this one clean already. It's a little piece right there. So. Alright. This now. Take time and that peeps going on for myself. Same thing goes to this. So take out this. Boom. Yeah, that's another fat. Alright, peeps, so I'll just deal with them. So stay tuned and check in back when time we're done. Alright, so we're done clean up, so we have to get rid of the waste. Peeps, I'll tie this and show another bit. Alright, peeps, so I get the chicken back into this. We're now going to wash these vinegar yet because we are cut them up smaller. So, you know, we have more surface area when we cut them up smaller. Alright, people, as we say, cut them up in some smaller pieces. Chicken breast is in your heart for some reason. crazy peeps. See me? Remember say I know my first time I do this, so I know nothing too hard to some of them things that I put in more. Honestly. Alright, so I wash them now with vinegar. So stay tuned. I'll watch out. Alright, I'm put about 3 crack of vinegar. 1, 2, 3, and 1 for good luck. Alright. So I make them go and soak a little bit, guys. Get rid of the rawness. You see me? Then wash them off. So, yeah. See it though. You can put this. This now.
Oh, clean. Oh, pretty.
Alright, so we are seasoned up with chicken now, as you can see. Everything done cut up already. So we are get some seasoning going. Man, so first things first, I have an island spice. Maggi, chicken seasoning. Some salt. Lastly, Maggi all-purpose. We have a big container of that. I think I already so much more. Alright. Curry now, you don't want to put too much curry. See, if you put too much curry, it go bitter. And you don't want it bitter, so I'm gonna mix it up, see what go on. If we need to add more, let's add more. Alright, probably need to add a little bit more. So that's what I do.
Alright, let me go right now. So we burn some of the people. You know we make curry?
We will make curry for burn it. We will cut up with herbs, or as you can say, natural seasoning. Alright. Clean up this. Alright, people, check in back. So we'll get them things cut up real quick. You see me? So I cut them up real fast.
Chef. She?
Chef.
No, no, found another comment section. So watch your finger. Watch your finger.
Watch your finger. Yeah. We have to practice.
This is what make you cry, guys. The onion.
Mm-hmm. You can level it still. Can't cut so fast. Alright, and we have pepper ready. So I just mixing this. Alright, so see the peeps. Make it go and marinate. Drop a pepper in the same time. Alright peeps, so pot get hotter now. You see me? So add in some oil. Don't put too much in the show that. Ah, strong though. Alright. Alright, peeps, so it's a fry up. Let this go and fry, guys, isn't it? After which, you'll mix up the coconut powder, add it in, get the coconut paste, so this is it, isn't it? So, stay tuned and watch out again. Alright. So I made that go and do it in peeps. Just stay tuned and watch out on the video. Alright peeps. So it starts spring now as you hear me say. See me? Make it fry long enough now. So I add in the coconut water. Just mix it out guys. You got to all show you when you mix it. So yeah. Add it in now. Let's get you closer. Alright people, check in. As you can see it start foam up. You see it have a way more yellowish color, but the camera not really express that. So I guess when it's done, you can get to see the true color, you see me? So just stay tuned and watch our one same time. Alright peeps, check in back, you see me? This is how it's looking. You see me, people? Steamer, fog up the camera. So I'm gonna try to go on it. You see me, peeps? Take on me, use. But you don't see it, I go and do it thing. You see me? Yeah, fog up the camera. Yeah. See the peeps. Don't know if you have 2 wash already. You see me? So, going out, you know. So wash it good. Get rid of some of the starch, you see me? That is it, man. First wash this. Time. You know we have the curry chicken over here, so for the coconut chicken. You see me? Back to this. So this a good wash. You see me? Alright, second wash time. Alright peeps, as you can see, wash the rice twice. So I put it on now. See me? What trying to do? Oh. Alright, boom. So, you know me have to season this already. Butter, probably little salt, optional, you see me? And yeah, that's it. Same time, you know I have a curry chicken over here. See me? So stay tuned and watch our go on. Soon done guys, you see me? And then we have a side pear and probably some cucumber, yeah. So stay tuned and watch our go on. Alright peeps, check in. The rice, I go and do it, I do you see me? So just I go and wait. So see it look so far, they are steam, as you can see, look on low heat. So stay tuned and watch our go on. Alright people, check in. So this is how it look right now. You see me? Nice little color. And that is it now. Same time, we have rice. Yeah. I go and steam and thing. See that? So stay tuned and watch how I'm going. You see me? So we're done, you see me? And take a look at what I'm going. Yeah. Alright, so we'll get some shear out now. You know, Auntie Sham will sample it for you. Tell them how it go. I know Auntie Sham not eat enough.
Oh, that's it.
Alright.
Mommy, TV.
Close up there.
I cannot see it. TV, Mom.
Want some bananas?
That's perfect.
Alright peeps, to the presentation, yeah? You see me, Auntie Sham not eat enough, so I'm just have to get her what she can manage. Alright peeps, Auntie Sham, yeah?
Yes, guys.
So I get a reaction now.
Be
Be honest, you know?
Yes, man, I know I'm always honest. I'm not telling a lie.
Start up, guys.
What do you say?
Chicken tastes nice so far. It tastes good. No lie.
Real?
Honestly.
Make sure you tell the truth, you know?
I would peer too. But yeah.
You know we have to treat Auntie Sham already, guys, you see me? So, that is it. I make sure go and eat our food, you see me? I don't want really in our way. And that's it for the video, guys.
No man, you know, in my way, man. Let me go and taste it on the camera and make them see.
Alright then.
You did an awesome job there, Josh. Fantastic. Nice.
Alright. And that is it, man. What you say? What do you want to name, Sham?
You don't want any?
Set my wiki.
Tonight I already.
My wiki, yeah.
Curry coconut
Chicken and white rice with pear.
That is it. JC, I say Isa.
Pizza.
Take your time.